In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PayPal QR code so you can start receiving payments quickly and easily. This is perfect if you want to accept payments in person, share your code online, or just make things simple for people paying you. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your PayPal app. Once you are inside, you will land on the home screen. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a button that says Get Paid. Tap on that. This will open a new screen with a few different ways to receive money. You will see three options here: request money, send invoice, and show QR code. What you want to do is tap on show QR code. Now on the next screen, you will see a get started button. Go ahead and tap on that. PayPal will now automatically generate a QR code for you. This is the code you can show to others so they can scan and pay you instantly. Now let's quickly go over the options you have on this screen. Right below your QR code, you will see three buttons. The first one is a small pen icon. If you tap on that, you can customize your payment settings. For example, you can add a custom amount if you want to charge a fixed price. You can also enable tipping, which is useful if you are a service provider or content creator. Once you enable tipping, you can choose different tip options for people to select from. After making your changes, make sure to tap Apply Settings so everything is saved. Quick tip here: if you forget to apply the settings, your changes will not be active. So always double check that. Next, the middle button allows you to share your QR code. You can tap this to send your code through text, email, or social media. This is really useful if you are not physically with the person paying you. And finally, the last button is the information or notification icon. If you tap on this, PayPal will show you a quick guide on how the QR code works and how others can use it to pay you. And that is pretty much it. You now have your own PayPal QR code set up and ready to use. People can simply scan it, enter the amount if needed, and send you money in seconds. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple and practical tutorials just like this. I will see you in the next one.